Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Yo, out of alkaline, I don't have popcorn. Who you think take some of that? That must Cartel my out. Cartel even release no summer song, really? So on to this. About 5 years ago that make dog. You know everything sound futuristic, man. You didn't know what I do. You must can admit this though. Since Lady Sarton, Christian and everything there, a Spice are baddest female dancehall artist though. Me not tell you say Cartel are baddest dancehall artist. My out, me say female dog, female. Female. So I'm the shorty. I want to man. Sure no. But yo still, me there are meds in the dog and I say yo, them natural disasters are terrible in the dog. Them say Irma is the wickedest thing in my out right now. I'm afraid for grandma and I don't know it how much of a Friday in the dog. Irma. My out. A chance to my body's natural disaster you. Oh, you can't tell us you don't know much about music in the dog.
Yo, who's that? Yo, why that nigga keep calling your phone, man?
That's my friend.
Yo, put the phone on speaker. Answer the phone and put it on speaker.
What?
Put the phone. You're not looking for hide, right? So put the phone on speaker.
Hey, cutie.
Hey.
Hey, your boyfriend home?
No. Tell him something there.
No, he's not.
Cool. So,
Yeah. Actually, I'm about to go. I'm gonna call you back. I'm about to go do something real quick. All right?
oh, but before you go, I just want to say that, like, the way you was riding my dick the other night.
What?
No,
Yo,
baby, no,
yo,
it's not
yo.
like that. No.
Not nice, the boy run like a wounded dog. Broke you see and record. Don't run, Baba boy don't run. The boy dress up like police and I run like thief. Don't run, Baba boy don't run. Big yard, we are the last man standing. Rifle shot, move the goalie banking. One of your barber shop and trip.
Good day.
Good day.
Are you Mumsel?
Yeah, with 2L, what happened?
Well, I'm coming to you woman to woman to let you know Jay been cheating on you for the past 3 months. Like, what are you looking for?
Me I look for the blood clot news. Man, girl, me with Jay for 3 years. You know if you know someone give me a bun.
First of all, you can't come to me woman to woman, cause me a bitch. Second of all, see them argument here? I call them broke argument, you know why? It don't make no sense, and it worse not gonna make no dollars.
Listen, me know Jay is not a tiger. He's a cheater. He cheat on everything. He cheat on test, he cheat on him ex, he cheat on him last year. He have a side career. You tell me
But he's giving you bun though.
I'm frightened for bun.
Isn't he take my bun with a slice of cheese?
Why you to know? Him really cheap on me with you?
What do you mean?
No, because him girl they normally at your face tough like alcohol window them.
Man, you need to go home and reevaluate your life, your eyeglass. Motherfucker, you need to left my place.
But I got more things to tell you.
Me don't want to hear, because your life not ready. Obviously your life not set. So you gotta go. Have a nice...
Is ooh and Marcia man is one to you. Girl, him say me more than good, me great like frosted flakes. Is that him say? Me can't buzzer. Wait, Marcia, you hear that? No, me not hear nothing. Is what that? No man, Kevin are dead for hungry man. I want, you know feed the son, Marcia. I can't Kevin that because Kevin just named the other day. No man, Kevin, you want some of me dinner? Are you me talking to answer me? You sure?
But good.
Alright. Anyway, you know, so when I make a PTA meeting and everybody daddy I look for me. No sir, me can't buzzer.
Hello?
First of all, bitch, you don't get to say hello. I say hello. I noticed there's a whole ass conversation between... I'm talking, bitch. There's a whole ass conversation between you and my nigga. I noticed he sent me an address, which means he probably come and pop your cherry already. Bitch, I'm about to come pop your neck in 2 fucking minutes.
Yeah. Ha, ho, ho. Couple rubber band, couple stop then, yeah. Couple rubber band, couple stop then. Yeah. Up inna the street, we a drop dead. J.O.P. We a go fuck up a party tonight. You just watch.
And the boom. Yeah. Boom. You done know. Big shock. Yo.
How much for coming at the party? What is better? I'm there before the money and a dog. How much for coming at the party, dog?
Dog, this is not this is not the kind of fucking fed for that thing.
Dog, so what? A man tell me say my money no good, dog. What man do? This me?
Dan, this is not your fucking dance, dog. Look at your fucking condition. You come with a high-speed fucking thing. Look, I can see the coin in your pocket, Dan. Dan. No move watch. This is not no party yet. Just carry your cunt now, man. Don't worry yourself now, man. Move now, man. Leave, dog. Next.
Dog, wait till me come back here. Wait till the bomb buckle that man come.
Yo, look the man coming back.
The fuck I seen here with this man, dog? Dan, don't fuck me up.
So you say me can't go in here so now? Soak her to the fucking bone.
Fuck, hey, I told that Jamaican bad boys that job, you know?
I'm touching at the place.
Hey, lay in for free. Give any fucking thing you want. Hey, you're good.
All I bad man them and all I hot girl them. You see when it's a GTW? Don't trip. Ghost ride the whip.
We can ghost ride the whip.